Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the crypto world in 2025, you might need to move your BNB around, like from Bitmart to Coinbase. Today, I'm walking you through this process step by step, so you can do it quickly and safely. Whether you're a beginner or just refreshing your skills, this guide will make it straightforward. First things first, before we jump in, make sure you have a few essentials ready. You'll need an account on both Bitmart and Coinbase, with some BNB in your Bitmart wallet. Also, double-check that your Coinbase wallet is set up to receive BNB, typically on the BNB Smart Chain for faster, cheaper transfers. Alright, let's get started. Step 1. Log into your Bitmart account. Once you're in, head over to the Wallets, or Assets, section and find your BNB balance. From there, look for the Withdraw option. It's usually right next to your asset list. Step 2. Select BNB as the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw. This is crucial. Make sure you're choosing the correct one. Then, pick the right network. In 2025, the BNB Smart Chain is the most common for these transfers, as it keeps fees low and speeds things up. Step 3. Enter your Coinbase wallet address. This is where you paste the address from your Coinbase account. Pro tip. Always copy and paste directly to avoid any typos, which could send your BNB into the void. Yikes. You'll also need to specify the amount you want to send, but don't forget to leave a little extra for network fees. Step 4. Review and confirm the withdrawal. Bitmart will show you a summary, including fees and estimated arrival time. Once you're happy, hit confirm. Now, sit tight. The transfer might take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Finally, once it's done, hop over to your Coinbase account and check your wallet. You should see your BNB there, ready to use. Remember, crypto transfers aren't always instant, so be patient and keep an eye on transaction statuses. There you have it, folks. Sending BNB from Bitmart to Coinbase in 2025 is easier than ever. If you run into any issues, drop a comment below, and I'll help out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more crypto tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.